ladies and gentlemen, we are doing an unboxing of the VAVA 12-in-1 USB-C hub for, I guess, the newer computers, specifically MacBooks that, you know, they decided to remove all the ports from. This is what you have to end up buying. So we're going to do a quick unboxing and I'll follow up with a review once we've used it for a few days. And we'll take it from there. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. But otherwise, we will open this baby up and we'll see what we get inside the box. So here we go, without further ado. It's definitely a well-sealed box. It is had some of their other products that were a little bit nicer in terms of packaging, and being this is one of their newer items, you would expect it to be at least a little bit nicer in terms of the box and presentation. So we open it and this is what we see immediately. You get the VAVA booklet, activate your privileged service, support. You've got your docking information, the instructions, I guess, and what each port is. You can see you've got a whole bunch of different connectors on here. USB-C connector, 2 USB 2.0 ports, 2 USB 3.0 slot ports, an SD and a TF card slot, RJ45 gigabit Ethernet port, 2 HDMI ports, a USB-C port for charging, a DC input, LED indicator, a 3.5mm audio port, a power adapter with convertible connector. The one thing I like about this thing is that it runs on its own power supply. It doesn't need a USB-C connector. It actually has its own power cord and power supply to power the unit as well as charge your MacBook, which is really nice. You get the docking station, the power adapter with convertible connector, a user guide, and a thank you card. And again, this is just basically all information that you can kind of scan through. You can do multiple display setups. I have been successful with other hubs, sorry. So let's take a quick look. Do a quick unboxing. This thing is definitely really well weighted. It's very heavy. Wow, it is. We got the power cord. This is the power brick. This thing is absolutely massive. It's humongous. I don't know if this is really that portable. This is more for like a home office. And then here we have the actual unit. And there you have it. Really elegant presentation. Beautiful. Really sharp. Really large though. Definitely something that's not, I wouldn't call this portable. This is definitely something you'd want to leave at your home office or your home desk, or maybe your actual personal office at work. I'm not really sure, but this is definitely a larger USB-C hub. There you have it. Hope you like this unboxing video.